In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a multi-page form in Framer using Framer Forms. I'm Monique from Insert Frame. Let's go. So starting with a plain page in Framer, I'm just going to open the Framer Forms plugin. Once you've logged in, you can go to New Form and Multi-Step Form. This will add a multi-step form to your canvas automatically, so I'm just going to drag that one onto our page. Next, I can add any other inputs I'd like. Then it'll give me the option to add in transitional components. However, these are already added to your form by default. Then it will show me the steps to connect my form. And then also I'll have the option to add in conditional logic or pre-filled form inputs. We'll cover this in a separate video. So on the Layers panel, you'll see that the pages are set up with names and numbers. Make sure to keep this in order and that all the naming conventions work well. This multi-step form component is only visible while you're building, so when you publish your site, it won't be there either. Make sure you also set up where your form is going to by going to the right-hand side when the parent frame is selected and going to Send To and selecting either email, webhook, or Google Sheets. And you're done. That's how you create a multi-step form with Framer Forms.